Hey guys, today is a really special day because we are celebrating Ethiopian New Year, and so we're really excited. We do this every year with the boys and just order some traditional Ethiopian food. Sometimes we've actually made it ourselves. This year we decided to go ahead and order it from the restaurant that we really love here in Nashville.
This is so good, guys.
Yeah,
It's called Gojo.
Yeah.
And they're super sweet.
And yeah, the sweetest people, really good food, and so we decided to go ahead and pick some up from them and bring it back here and just enjoy relaxing as a family, celebrating. We have a few traditional things we're going to do. I actually read that yellow is kind of the traditional color for this day, especially like yellow flowers, so we picked some of these up right here. And a lot of times people will light torches and do bonfires and that kind of thing, and so I thought it'd be really cool to just kind of hang out outside. It's a gorgeous day, and we're gonna eat dinner outside here and make a bonfire and then do the traditional coffee and popcorn, which the boys love. You guys love the popcorn and coffee, especially the coffee. The fact that the kids get to have coffee on this day, I think, is really special to them, and so.
And it is the perfect weather.
It really is.
It is the perfect weather today. Like, high 70s. It's amazing.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
You guys know we're Texas people, and so we're so used to it being like 100 degrees until like the end of September, and so I think we still like can't get over the fact that it like feels so much cooler. It kind of feels like fall already, and it's September, and so
pretty chilly in the mornings when we get up. I'm excited.
Yeah, so just getting to celebrate outside and relax and enjoy. Are you guys excited for this?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Excited for some Ethiopian food?
Yeah.
It's gonna be so delightful. Lincoln is taking a quick nap, and so as soon as he wakes up, we're gonna get going on dinner and all of that. But it's gonna be a really fun afternoon. And we just got this book in the mail from Amazon. It's called, what is this called, guys?
The Long Story of Ethiopia.
The Long Story of Ethiopia. It's in Amharic and in English, which I thought was really cool. And just kind of giving some history and culture.
The Long Story of Ethiopia.
Yeah, and so we're reading that right now, which is really cool. It's a really beautiful book. It's really beautifully illustrated. And I love that we're able to just kind of read about the history of Ethiopia together as well. So that's really cool. I'm sure Lincoln's gonna want to see that and like turn the pages and all that once he wakes up from his nap. This is so cool, guys. I love that you can read it in Amharic and in English. Those really beautiful illustrations as well.
Daddy.
Good job.
Nice.
Right. You're a big boy, huh?
Yeah, buddy.
Good job.
That's
like, no
awesome.
help at all.
No help. He's like,
Such
I
a
got
big
this,
boy.
man. I got it, Mom.
I love that I can see sometimes he like just prefers that, you know? It's obviously quicker to scoot down. But the fact that we don't have to coach him all the time, a lot of times he just does it on his own.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, you're a big boy. And guys, look at this shirt. How adorable is this?
Oh my gosh.
This new line from Target is so cute.
Oh, okay.
You kiss. Oh, thank you. Look at how cute this is. The diversity.
I love
There's even a wheelchair. That's
yeah,
so
you like that, huh, guy?
It's such a cute line. I'm like obsessed with this new line from Target.
Seriously. He's been running like crazy lately. He actually fell a minute ago and like got a little bit of a bump and bruise on his head.
A big
It's really kind of crazy because he just gets so excited and just so riled up when he's running.
It's cool that he's keeping up with his brothers pretty well, but at the same time, it's like you're just constantly having to watch really closely. So especially because he loves to run into the street. So we're having
he's a runner.
We have to do that.
He's gonna be a runner. Whoa.
Does that look good? Oh, the light.
Oh, I thought he was gonna like reach for the food. Smash his hand into the food.
Come here, let's go see the boys. Oh! Pretty soon I'm not gonna be able to lift this kid.
I know, man.
But you're still my baby.
We just hiked to a waterfall with the boys the other day, and I took him. And he, in that little backpack, is so heavy.
He's pretty much outgrown it at this point. I don't know if there's something else for like big kids that you could use, but he's just not quite ready for like those steep climbs.
Gotta find something for him. Oh, you got your squigs.
My favorite.
Oh yeah, buddy. Got a little dodgeball game going on there.
Yeah.
It's like soccer dodgeball. Yeah?
Yeah, you love it.
Oh,
more kisses.
You gonna get another kiss? Oh, there you go.
That's so nice.
You're such a sweet boy.
Mom.
Yeah, baby.
Mom.
I got my toys.
Can you say squig? He's like, oh, I'm trying. We got some firewood because we're gonna do a bonfire.
So bad.
They do. Oh, careful. This is gonna be so fun. Here we go. Perfect. We're gonna be building a bonfire today. So that's gonna be really fun. So I think we've decided on a family game of kickball before dinner. Normally we've done like baseball or that kind of thing, but kickball sounded nice today.
Football is life!
Do you guys know, half the time we get comments from people that are like, I can't believe Steven would say this or that. And he's always quoting movies.
If anybody, drop in the comments down below if you know what Football is Life is from. It's like, it's my new favorite show. It's amazing.
Yeah.
And now we have the most beautiful kickballer who's ever existed. Ready?
The worst player on the team, honestly.
It's okay. Jude, go easy, bro. Don't go easy. I'm just joking. Here we go. Boom! Oh, you're out. That was quick.
I always do it really high. Yeah. You ready?
Yeah! That's the wrong way, buddy. He goes to third base first.
That was really good, though.
Yeah, it was really
delayed,
good.
But
a little bit,
like,
but he's getting the point. Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
He's going home.
Go race.
I race. Whoa! That's what I call a line drive. Holy mackerel. Oh my gosh! Here comes Kira with the home run. Penny running all the way to third. No way! Oh my gosh. And the ladies are dominating. Oh, did you even hit third base?
No, I just came straight from second.
Little cheater.
You guys, comment down below if you think Steven should be a sports announcer because I feel like he has the perfect voice. He would be so good at that.
Oh
that would be
goodness.
awesome. Lincoln, are you ready for some dinner?
Yeah.
Yes.
That was
Yes,
the line.
you are.
He goes, ha.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He was like, because I want you to really know how much I'm ready for
That's
dinner.
right there.
Yeah, baby. Oh, that sun is so bright.
It's so nice.
But
God,
it is
feels so good out here.
I know. I think everybody's really hungry from playing kickball, so
let's eat some food.
let's bring it on out.
Sounds good. Here she comes. My goodness.
Eat. Look at that. Look
She
at how good
comes
this looks.
bearing glad tidings of great joy.
Yes. I'm thoroughly hungry. I've got several of these platters to put on the table.
Dude, this is what a mother and sister who love us looks like.
You like it? Lincoln loves Ethiopian food too.
Maybe.
It's yummy.
Honey, the year is 1825.
That good, huh?
I would say,
Yes. That good. We are devouring all of these. We've got a little bit left here, a little bit left there,
It's okay.
tiny bit left down there.
It's okay. I'm ordering cyclists right now, so it doesn't matter.
dang.
We have a teenager on the phone.
I'm calling for seconds. We need more food, obviously.
Good job.
Get him up.
Woohoo!
Take it over here. Kick it. Yeah.
Yay! You're so good at that. Oh.
Good.
What is going on over here?
Those are guys trying to communicate with us.
You guys keep hearing noises over here.
Yeah, it's kind of creepy. We were like, hey, what if we hear like a noise upstairs? And then we started hearing like this like very quiet knocking, and it was freaking.
Last time I might know.
No,
They just brought that in. Last time we were in here, the light started flickering, and then we heard like a big thud from upstairs, and we ran out.
Oh my god. Well, you know that there are like the acorn things above that kind of fall into the roof. So
The knocking did sound like this.
it's very old.
Mom, there's no such thing as ghosts.
There's not. Go.
I think a mosquito or something.
Woo! That smoke is coming straight this way. Steven has found a solution to getting the fire.
More efficient than going.
Steven is using our leaf blower to fan the flames, which is kind of working, but it's also creating a lot of smoke.
This is the wood from our house, the new house.
Yeah.
So I don't know that it's fully like dried out, you know. I think
Yeah.
it's pretty wet wood right now, but that's okay.
It's getting there.
We'll get there. Aw, thank you, buddy. You like the fire pit? Guys, dinner was amazing, absolutely incredible. What'd you think, buddy?
Very good.
So good. So now we have a fire pit going because apparently that is one of the special things, traditions that Ethiopians do on Ethiopian New Year as well. And oh my gosh. What in the world?
Like lean back a little too far.
That is an aggressive game of chase. Are you gonna pick him up? Get by with a little help from his friends. There you go. Full service parenting right there. So now we're gonna make some delicious popcorn and do the coffee. We're not gonna do like the coffee ceremony like they do in Ethiopia because we just don't have all the tools and things like that. So I just made a pot of coffee, and we're gonna do a pot of coffee and a little bit of popcorn around a fire pit, which should be pretty rock and roll. So, rock and roll. 97X, bam, the future of rock and roll.
So much sugar. Stir up slowly.
And then the black coffee.
Thank you.
You know what they say about people who drink black coffee?
What?
They're sociopaths.
Oh my gosh.
I don't know.
Kira
I've
loves
been
black
to it
coffee.
recently. I've been liking it more recently.
Yeah, you
I
like
still
it
like
strong.
I like all different ways of making coffee, but it's just nice kind of in the morning.
That's awesome. I'm very impressed.
Let's go.
Yeah, I can do this.
That was terrible.
Try to juggle
No.
the
No.
Try to juggle the
Nice.
What?
Nice.
Okay, I'm good.
She just hit her head.
Okay, bro, I'm gonna show you this.
He just wants me for my food.
Alright guys, it has been an amazing day just
Yes, it has.
celebrating Ethiopian New Year. You know, we love the fact that our family is so diverse and like gets to celebrate all these different cultures that are within our own home and that are all over the world. Just, it's amazing. And so it's been such a great day and we're really, really loving it. I feel like we learned more about Ethiopian New Year this year than really any other year in the past too.
Yeah,
So
doing
it's
some
been
more
cool.
research, just trying to find unique ways to celebrate and honor our kids' culture and heritage and all of that. And so Yeah, I know that it's always super special every year, and we love it. It's one of our favorite days of the year. So we're glad we could share that with you guys a little bit. And we're just gonna go ahead and close it out here, hang with the family, probably play another round of kickball before it gets dark.
Definitely hang by the fire pit all night long.
Yeah.
It feels so good.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
It really does.
It's like the perfect night.
We love you guys. And we'll see you guys next time.
See you guys.
Bye.
Bye.
For your name's sake, you will lead me back home to you. God, for your name's sake, you will lead me back